Grab a heated skillet, a splash of 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 medium onion, chopped to perfection. Allow the onion to cook until it softens, which should take about 5 minutes. Then, 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1 pound of ground beef and break it apart. Let it sizzle until it's no longer pink, and season it with a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Once done, drain any excess fat, then add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, and for those who dare, a 1/4 teaspoon of optional red pepper flakes. Let the sauce simmer, and as it does, the flavors will start to intertwine, creating a symphony of taste. While our sauce is simmering, it's time to prepare the ziti. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare a pot of water, seasoned with a tablespoon of salt for boiling. Add 1 pound of ziti until it's just shy of al dente. Remember, it'll continue cooking in the oven later. Drain it, set it aside, and prepare for the next step. Now it's time for the cheese mixture. In a bowl, blend together 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, a cup of finely grated Parmesan, and a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. It's time to assemble the baked ziti. Gather all the ingredients that are 1 pound of cooked ziti, 2 cups of meat sauce, 2 cups of ricotta mixture, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. In a large bowl, mix the 1 pound of cooked ziti with the 2 cups of meat sauce, making sure every piece is coated. Then spread half of this mixture in a greased 9x13-inch baking dish. Top it with 1 cup of the ricotta mixture and sprinkle with half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers and you have a dish that's ready for the oven. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake for 20 minutes. Then unveil it and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese bubbly and slightly golden. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving, garnishing with additional Parmesan cheese or fresh basil if you wish. This meal is best enjoyed with a side salad of about 1 cup per person and a slice or 2 of crusty bread. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a culinary newbie, this is a recipe that's sure to impress. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.